Bibigo? Oh my God, Bibigo pala siya! Hala! Ito yung pinopromote ni PSJ! Bibigo! Hey guys, it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, I'm really excited to share with you guys my not-so-common Korean grocery haul. Not so common kasi very basic na, no? Yung mga pang samgyeopsal, tteokbokki, fish cake, kimchi, nori, gochujang, yung mga ganun. So, today, hindi yun kasali sa mga ipapakita ko sa inyo because magpapakita ako ng mga mas interesting stuff pa. So, if you're a fan of Korean food or anything Korean actually, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. Actually, pinadeliver ko lang to. In-order ko to sa isang app. It's called Let's Be Delivery app. Koreans talaga yung founder and mga managers ng app na yon. So, very authentic siya talaga. So, eto siya from Let's Be. Yan. Let's start. Medyo marami-rami to. I have more than 10 items here. So, tatry ko na bilisan para hindi to masyadong mapahaba. Let's start with this one. Yan. Sa mga matcha lovers out there, we have a matcha pancake mix. Grabe guys, mura lang to. I'm going to flash lahat ng presyo and Korean names ng mga items para if you guys go to the app or you go online, alam nyo kung ano yung Korean names nila, alam nyo kung paano mag-order. But may photo naman dun sa app, so definitely madaling mag-order. Ito siya. Korean pancake mix na matcha flavor. And this one is, if you guys are a fan of samyang, which is the fire noodles, nakikita ba? Nagpo-focus ba? Ayun. This is a spicy mayo. Ako, sobrang fan ako nung, yung iba, kupay yung tawag doon. But I think the proper tawag daw doon is QP, yung sesame seed na dressing. So, I think this is something like that, but spicy and mas Korean pa siguro yung lasa niya. So, I'm really excited to taste this one. Ako, sobrang hilig ko sa beef jerky. Pag squid, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag eh. Kung squid jerky din ba. But yan, alam niya na yon, yung snack siya. Yan. Eto, na-intriga lang ako. Kaya ko to in-order. It's a Korean canned tuna. Pero may flavor siya na kimchi stew. Kung sawa na kayo sa mga tuna ng Pilipinas, try natin tong Korean tuna na kimchi stew ang flavor. May iba-iba silang flavor eh. Meron pa silang spicy mayo tuna, but ito yung pinili ko na flavor. But if you guys browse through the app, maraming pagpipilian na canned goods pa. Meron din silang Korean spam, ganun. So, check out nyo na lang. It's a red bean bar. Diba yung mga Korean, sobrang hilig nila sa red bean na flavor. May mga ice cream sila nga, tapos red bean, diba? So, ito, it's a red bean bar. Gusto ko lang siyang itry just to know why they love the flavor so much. Let's explore other items. Like ito, ay, nabubuksan, ayun. Gusto ko lang itry yung Korean shampoo nila kasi yung mga Koreans parang ang gaganda ng skin nila and ng hair. So, I also got myself this Korean shampoo. Mura lang to. Ang laki ng lalagyan and it's only 200 something pesos. For me, this is not so common. It is noodles, yes, pero hindi siya yung mga common na fire noodles, na shin ramen, gano'n. This one is stir-fry squid yung flavor niya. So, para maiba lang, diba? And 4 pieces na yung laman niya. Eto, kumuha na ako ng ganito. Nakakatawa kasi meron din sila mga home items. Tapos yung mga home items nila, I think pati panghugas ng plato, ganon. Pati baby wipes, meron. But I got myself this spoon and chopsticks na metal. Sobrang gusto ko to kasi para reusable yung chopsticks. Hindi na kailangan bumili ng maraming wooden chopsticks. Tapos, I could also use this for food photography pag may mga pinapadala sa akin na food, diba? For flat lay, pwede din. Ito, ina-next ko na yung mga inumin. You guys are not gonna see here yung basic like soju and yung banana milk. Kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, this would be not so common. Unahin natin si cold brew. Na-inspire ako kumuha ng cold brew kasi sa The King lagi silang nagko-cold brew, diba? Meron silang sponsor doon na cold brew. But iba to. This is Cantata Cold Brew. Yun yata, Georgia Coffee yata yung brand nun. And to be honest, hindi na ako nakapaghintay. Oh my God! May konti pa palang natitira. Shit. Sorry. Pero yeah, it's almost empty. Akala ko nga ubos na, but may konti pang tumulo. Wait lang. Kasi sobrang hilig namin ni Isaac sa cold brew. Pag may nakikita kaming cold brew, tinatry namin agad. Ganon. This one is good. Another empty one, pero hindi ko na siya papakita sa inyo kung gaano siya ka-empty. Pero ito kasi hindi ko na rin napigilan yung sarili ko. Guys, if you love mogu-mogu, parang ganito yon. And it's so good. It's grapefruit flavor with yung mga jelly sa loob. Another inumin, feeling ko okay to isama sa soju if mahilig kayong gawa ng mga soju mixes. Tawag nila dito is lemon cider drink siya. So I'm guessing parang siyang tonic water, ganon. Titikman ko siya later. Or ngayon ko na siguro siya tikman, no? Para mabigyan ko kayo ng first impression. Sige, tikman na natin siya ngayon. Yeah. Okay. It's carbonated. Parang may siya, aftertaste siya ng bubblegum. It's so refreshing. Tapos parang may minty, bubblegum-ish taste siya. It's good. So, ubos na yung ating first bag. Let's go to the next one. Konti na lang yung natitira natin. Eto, excited din ako dito. Samyang yung brand niya. And it's Chicken Pops. Ayan. So, excited ako dito. Gagawin kong sauce niya yung Samyang Spicy Mayo. Diba? Terno sila. So, I have another frozen good. Medyo nag-yellow pa siya. Pero kung nakikita nyo, it's the sausage siya na instant, na frozen. Ito naman, kaya bigla ko nagustuhang orderin kasi kaka-watch lang namin ng Fight for My Way, yung kay PSJ. And ito yung tinitinda doon ni Coach, kung napanood niyo na. Ito naman, panawid gutom. Midnight snack, yung tipong pag nagutom ka late night and you want to eat something na walang masyadong effort. It's a cup, instead na cup noodles, that's very basic. This one is cup rice, na meron siyang kasamang soup. It's kimchi stew. I think you will just add hot water. Tama ba? Oo, sabi niya doon, just add hot water and then you're good. So, eto siya. Bibigo. Oh my God, Bibigo pala siya. Hala, ito yung pinopromote ni PSJ. Bibigo. Yehey, matitikman ko na. Soup pala yun. Ito, it's instant soup siya. Iinitin mo lang siya. Pwedeng initin mo sa microwave or you could also go old school. Initin mo siya sa kalan. Naka-ready na siya. This one is short beef ribs stew. Oh my God. Pakita ko sa inyo na ito yung pinapromote ni PSJ. I'm so na-hype ako bigla. Na-excite ako bigla. Okay, ito na pala yung last item on our list. But guys, meron akong dalawang hindi nasali na dapat talaga isasali ko siya sa haul. Pero nung tinignan ko ulit yung app nila yesterday nung nagpa-deliver ako, sayang it's sold out. But they also have sa mga frozen goods nila yung corn dogs. And I really love corn dogs. So I was really looking forward to trying it, the frozen corn dogs. And then meron din silang ready to heat na japchae. So, yun yung dalawang items na really looking forward din sana ako na i-share with you guys, but sayang sold out. So, Let's Be is a delivery service app, hindi lang sa food but also sa grocery. And then, kung titignan mo yung app, marami pang ibang pwede. Papakita nila sa'yo, massage, hotel, rent a car. So, sobrang dami. Sa ngayon, ang natatry ko pa lang yung Korean grocery delivery service nila. And so far, sobrang seamless naman nung naging experience ko. And dahil kaka-launch lang nila ng grocery delivery service nila, guys, hanggang October 15, naka-free delivery sila. So, free delivery, 5% discount on all items, and then meron pa silang free na face shield and eco bag. And meron pa akong another good news for you guys. I partnered with Let's Be delivery service app to give you guys a very special gift. 500 pesos worth of credit sa app nila na magagamit nyo sa pag-shop for Korean grocery items. Right now, this is only available for our Pampanga viewers kasi sa ngayon sa Pampanga pa lang available si Let's Be, but who knows, next year, diba, they would go nationwide. The mechanics are really simple. All you have to do is download the Let's Be app. It's available for both iOS and Android users. Of course, huwag niyong kakalimutan to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below kung ano yung favorite nyo or pinaka-interesting for you guys sa mga na-feature ko na items. I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram account on October 15, 7 p.m. So, abangan nyo yan. Before I end this video, I would like to thank Lashes by XM for my Barbie lashes. Ayan. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Annyeong!